Alright, so where's the Dodge been? It's had some things done to it here recently in the last few months. I've got the motor completely painted. Got an exhaust leak at the manifold right there, so it's a little bit black. Brand new carb on it. I burnt an intake valve on it. Went ahead and done a full rebuild, everything in its new except for the pistons, crank, cam, everything in it's brand new. So all that's been redone. Got quite a bit of hours put into it, getting all that work done. Some other things I did to the truck. The sub in it. Put some custom gauges in it. Those was hard to wire up. Got some switches down here to turn my gauges on, some running lights. Got my little LED lights on it. And there's your crank. Everything's working like it should. Those light up red, just too daylight out right now to see them. Well, that's about it in here. I've been having some transmission issues out of it. Probably went to pull the trans again. But yeah. A little bit more about this motor real fast. So when I burnt the intake valve out of it, me and a buddy sat here at my house, and we pulled this motor out right here in my driveway. It was a torturous time trying to get it out, but we got it out, and it's still winter time. That's where all the cold starts went. And you know, I'd take a shop class at school and took everything apart up there at school, rebuilt the whole motor. I spent a lot of time and money into this motor right here and got everything put back together. I'm glad it's running though. Let's do a start right underneath of it, the exhaust. Problems going on, so try to line everything out. Pretty loud up here too, exhaust leak. That's about it. No Dodge.